Hi everyone, this is the 8th page for the diary of the spider breeder, and today we're gonna do an unboxing video. Yeah, you're hearing some noise in the background. Is my wife there smiling because I speak in English. And now she's gone, and now we're gonna open the box. And we're gonna see if it's alright. Open. Polish newspaper. And here. One side by side. And we're gonna check if it's all right. Where is probably here? Yeah. Oh, she start moving. You see her? Okay. By the way, it is a confirmed female of grammostola rosea red. So we have to prepare the enclosure with some soil, broken up a little bit. A little bit of, if I can open, okay, vermiculate. We mix it up. She's a terrestrial, is not a borrower, so I think this substance will be enough for her. And we put a little core bark here for hiding, a little bit of spraying, and we can take her out, remove the plastic lid. Ooh. Ah, beautiful. Oh yeah, really beautiful spider. It's a really chilling species. His gene is really gentle. Focus please, camera. And now she can go inside her new home. Go enjoy. No. Okay. She don't want to cooperate. Please. Come here. Take the cell. Il cell phone, il telefono, cara, prendilo. Okay, we can take her like this and put here like this, really gentle, and that's it for the 8th page of the Diary of Spider Breeders. That's all. Please, if you like the video, okay, focus on my thumbs. A thumbs it up, like, and help me to grow this channel. For other videos like this, we can feed her about 10 days from now. We can feed her. Okay, that's it. Bye.